Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to sign in to your Facebook account on a desktop computer step by step. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Once the page loads, you will see the login section. If someone has logged in before on that device, you may see their account listed. You can click on it to log in quickly or choose the option to add another account. To log in, enter your email address or phone number, then type your password in the password field. If you want to make sure your password is correct, you can click the option to show it. After that, click the Login button. Once you click Login, you will be taken to your Facebook homepage. From here, you can see your feed, posts, and notifications. At the top of the page, you can access your profile, groups, and other features. You can also use the search bar to find friends and connect with people. If you want to log out, go to the top corner of the page and click on your profile icon or menu. Then scroll down and click on the Logout option. And that's it. That's how you sign in and out of Facebook on a desktop computer. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple tutorials. Thanks for watching.